Do you often find yourself squinting at signs or struggling to read in low light? Well, today's video is going to be a game changer for you. Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriologgy. We are about to reveal 5 incredible foods that can naturally enhance your eyesight. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that's guaranteed to leave your eyes sparkling with health. But before we dive into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out our expert tips and tricks on living a healthier life. Now let's get started. Our eyes are perhaps the most precious sensory organs we have. Yet, with the rise of digital screens and constant exposure to harmful elements in our environment, maintaining good eyesight has become increasingly challenging. But fret not, nature has provided us with some incredible tools in the form of superfoods that can enhance and protect our vision. Number 1. Carrots, the classic eye-boosting superfood. Our journey to better eyesight begins with the classic carrots. You have probably heard this one before, but there's a good reason for it. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that our bodies convert into vitamin A, essential for maintaining good eyesight. These orange wonders can help prevent night blindness and reduce the risk of cataracts. Number 2. A leafy green vision enhancer, spinach. This is another superhero from the vegetable world. This leafy green is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that help protect our eyes from harmful light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. The third one is a sweet treat for your eyes. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes aren't just a delicious side dish, they are fantastic for your eyes too. Packed with beta-carotene, just like carrots, these sweet spots support good night vision and overall eye health. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet is a tasty way to keep your peepers in top shape. Next up, we have tiny powerhouses for eye health. So let's add some color to our plate with blueberries. These little powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, which can help protect the eyes from oxidative damage. They are also known to reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related vision problems. Next up is a nutty solution for your vision. Last but not least, we have almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that can help slow down age-related eye damage. They are also packed with healthy fats and fiber, making them an all-around great snack for your overall well-being. So there you have it, 5 fantastic foods that can naturally improve your eyesight. But before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. Maintaining a balanced diet that includes a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables along with these eye-boosting superfoods is the key to long-term eye health. Remember, no single food can work magic on its own. It's all about a holistic approach to nutrition. And don't forget to stay hydrated, manage your screen time and protect your eyes from harmful UV rays. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments which eye-healthy foods you love to eat. And as always, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more informative content like this. Until next time, take care of those beautiful eyes and we will see you in the next one. Toodles!